How to trade in Roblox Mobile. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, you will have to launch your preferred browser. In the search bar, search for roblox.com. It will redirect you to the official webpage of Roblox. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your Roblox account. Now to trade in your Roblox Mobile, it is pretty simple. In the left-hand corner, select on the three horizontal line. Head over to the trade option. From here, you can select the category that you want to trade. You can select inbound, outbound, and completed or incomplete. Once you click on it, then navigate to your inventory to trade an item with your friends and vice versa. You'll be able to trade any item that you have purchased from your inventory to your friend. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and safety of Roblox. You can search for cannot trade and follow the instruction that is provided to you. Just make sure that you have actually purchased the item before you trade it with a friend. If it's free, like something Roblox gives you, you will not be able to trade it. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.